Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am back with another Glamego box unboxing video. So this is how the box looks like. I really love the packaging of Glamego boxes. They're very cute. Even the last month's box also was pretty cute. I really love how they have packaged it this time. Also they have a bunch of animals on the box, which I think is very cute. The packaging of the box is pretty cute. And when you open the box, and once you open the box, the first thing what you get is the information of the products and the pricing, which is there in the box. And it also has got a card which says hashtag date with mom in the best place in your city. It says post any of your pic with mom before 10th of May and tag us, and you can win a date with your mom in the best place of the city. So I believe they have I believe this one was for Mother's Day, which I think it's already over. It's already 17th of May. I just received the box yesterday and I'm filming the unboxing today, so I guess it's a little late for this one. So the first thing which comes into my hand is from the brand Votre. It's a multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream. I have not yet opened this, and this one for full size it retails. So this one retails for 2,350 for 50 ml, and what is there in the box is 30 ml, which is 1,550, which is quite pricey, which already has covered the cost of the box. So it says Votre products are clinically tested and dermatological approved. It rejuvenates the skin, hydrates the skin, and nourishes the skin. So I'm really excited to try this one. I really love my night routine, and I'm really taking care of my skin as of now, because for the past few months I've been really not taking care. So for the past few weeks I have started taking care of my skin again, and I can see a huge amount of difference. So I can't wait to incorporate this one in my nighttime skin routine. Second product which comes into my hand is from the brand Acne's. It's for pimple prevention. It says Mentho Cool Pimple Defense Face Wash. It controls skin heat and removes excess oil. It's from Japan. It says it removes 99% of acne causing germs, and it says it works in 3 days. Here it says it's a newbie in India. It removes 99% of pimple causing germs. It absorbs excess sebum, reduces inflammation. It soothes the skin and kills the pimple when it is won. So I don't have that kind of a skin which is acne prone, thankfully, and I do get one or two pimples here and there when I'm about to get my chums. So other than that, I'm like blessed with good skin. I thank my genes for that. So I think this will be a great face wash for people who's got acne prone skin or who breaks out easily. However, I am going to try this, or I will give it to someone who's got an acne prone skin, and I'll ask them to. The next thing which comes into my hand is a lipstick. It's from the brand Bella Rose. This is one of my favorite brand. I have been getting I got to know about this brand from the box itself. I really love the lipsticks which they sent. I am currently using a lipstick called, I'm not sure of the name, and it's a chubby lipstick and it's absolutely stunning. I've been using it non-stop. So this is their legendary satin touch lipstick in the number 07, and this one retails for 225, and it's a full size product. So I have not applied any lipstick. I'm just gonna try it on my lips and show it to you guys how it's gonna look. It says one stroke application, creamier formulation, moisturizing benefits. So that is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful, beautiful red shade. So as you guys can see, that is how the shade looks like on my lips. It's a beautiful red shade. It's very, very creamy, and it's not a matte finish, it's a satin lipstick. I absolutely love the color, and it is not going very well with my eyes because I've kohled my eyes and I've lined my eyes. So if you are going for a wing liner look, or if you're going light on your eyes, you can definitely rock it. But there is no such rules. I mean, you can rock it anyways. You can rock it this way also. So it's a very, very nice, beautiful, beautiful color. And the next thing what I have in my hand is a lip scrub from the brand Secrets. It's their rambutan, dates and liquorin lip scrub, and this one retails for $261. It's a full size product. It says lychee scrub, it removes dead cells. So this one retails for $261, and it says lychee scrub, it removes the dead cells, lightens the lips and plumpy looking lips. Now who doesn't like a plumpy looking lips, right? So this is a lip scrub, and it's a full size product, and it smells absolutely amazing. It smells exactly like lychees. It smells so delicious, you guys. I can't wait to use it. I have not used a lip scrub ever in my life, so this will be the first time which I'm going to use a lip scrub, so I'm quite excited for that. And the last product what I have is a nail paint. It's from the brand Bella Voste again. So it's a full size product, and it retails for $249. It says it's non-yellowing, and it lasts up to 7 days, and non-toxic. So I have not worn any nail paint on my nails as of now, and I will be trying it on, and I'll be putting pictures of it in my Instagram, so do follow me there. The color is pretty. The color, it's in the shade Crash Crumbs. It's a nice gray metallic kind of a shade. I can't wait to use this. So I really like this Times Glam Ego box, the products what they have sent. I am actually in love with this box because they sent out all premium brands in $299, $399 per month, which I think is great value for money, and the products, and you get to try out high-end luxurious brands, which is a great thing. So do let me know if you guys want to see any review of any of the products, and let me know if you guys also have subscribed to the same box. If you're liking it, do let me know. I would love to know. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.